Hi, this is Med from Educators Technology. In this quick video, I'm going to talk about ChatGPT Search, which is relatively a new feature. It was actually introduced last October, but 2 days ago, ChatGPT announced that it is now available to all logged in users, and for free. Which is great. So ChatGPT Search is just like Google. So it allows you to search the web right from within ChatGPT interface. Already written a detailed post about ChatGPT Search. You can check it out. The link in the description box. When you log into your ChatGPT account, you will see this icon here. It's the search the web. You can use it to search the web directly from ChatGPT, or you can simply write your prompt and click enter, and ChatGPT will determine whether your query requires an up-to-date information from the web or not. Personally, if I want to search the web, I would rather use the button. For instance, let's say I want to search for cheapest hotels in the let's say Toronto, and I'll click on the web and then enter. So as you can see here, the results are pretty similar to Google search. It pulls out the map here and provides a list of the hotels in the area, and you can scroll through these hotels. You see the different results here, and when you scroll down, you will see here the sources. When you click on them, you will have this panel on the right hand side where you can furthermore explore the sources. It's pretty practical, and I think Google now has a serious competitor, which is ChatGPT Search. But the great thing is you can also make ChatGPT Search your default search engine, and you can do it from here. Click on your profile picture, then scroll down to get ChatGPT Search extension. Then click on Add to Chrome. This extension, I believe, is also available for Firefox users and Microsoft Edge users. So let's click on Add. Now let's open a new tab and let's type in a search in the address bar. Let's say cheapest, again, hotels in Toronto, and let's see what we have. So change back to Google search. I would say keep it here, and as you can see, our search is being directed right into ChatGPT. So this is a quick way to access ChatGPT Search and use it as your default search engine. So that was just a quick tutorial on how to use ChatGPT Search. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.